Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and right here we need to scroll down and find the option System Updates. Then here we've got this option Smart Update. So first of all, you need to make sure that it is turned on. So just tap on the switcher if it is turned off, and your device will automatically bring you to the options. Obviously, if you've got it turned on, I still highly recommend to simply tap on it to manage the Smart Updates settings. So first of all, we can choose a start time. Basically, the whole idea of this feature is that your device will search and check for the updates, and if it is available, your device will download it and then automatically install. So here you can also choose the start time, so the time when your device will install the update. And it's up to you. You can choose specific time ranges from 1 to 3, 2 to 4, and 3 to 5, or you can choose the custom time, so it's up to you. You can choose it on this clock. So basically it will happen during this time range, and your device will, automatically apply the update. Here you can also decide whether you want to apply it to all software updates. You can just tap on the switcher right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.